So right here I have the dal, it's boiling, and I'm going to get my immersion blender. Once it has boiled for maybe about 20 minutes or so, depending on how much you have in there, it's going to be soft to the touch, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for it to be soft to the touch because everything has to be crushed up and to become that that liquid, that dal liquid, and it has a nice color and everything. I have to add some more water in here because I like it a little thinner than this. So I'm going to blend it first, and then I'll add some more liquid. Add some liquid in here. Just like it to become nice and smooth. You can see that transformation right there. Lovely transformation. It's nice and smooth. I love it a little thinner, so I'm going to add maybe about a cup of water. This is a pint glass, so I'm going to add half a pint of water in there and let that boil up a little more. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is a nice consistency. So I let that boil for about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to add my little piece of heat in here. Get rid of the immersion blender. Wash that. And over here I have my chunking elements. Cumin seeds, mangrel. It's a mixed masala in there with fenugreek seeds. I have some fresh onion, and I put some fresh garlic in there. Fresh onion, fresh garlic, and the mixed masala with the cumin, the fresh cumin seeds, the whole cumin seeds. And I'm going to use some canola oil. We're going to fry this up in some canola oil until it's nice and parched. Okay, about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. And we'll just use that small burner, and that's going to go, maybe it'll take about 5 minutes for it to start frying and everything, and get release all the juices, all the spices from the different things that are in there, and it all comes together. And when it's nice and charred and parched, I'll transfer it. I'll put it over into the dal of itself. So I'll be back when that's ready and we're ready to transfer it. Okay, it's frying up lovely here. It's frying up lovely here. And once it gets a little color, we'll be pouring it over in there. So this is the garlic, it's onion, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, like a mixed masala, and I added onions and garlics to it. It's nice and getting brown there. Yeah, that's what you want. Nice and charred and brown. Caramelized. Okay, see the color is changing really fast now. Yeah, I think that's dark enough. And let's move over here. And as soon as we throw this in here, we need to cover the pot and let it, that's the sound you need. And you cover that pot right away so that it all the fragrance and the flavor from those spices all mixed into the dal, and it's going to be has to be a fantastic scent. The aroma is wonderful. It'll taste delicious. Okay. Good. So we turn that off. Alrighty. I'll just give this a stir. Nice. I love this consistency. Take it off. I'll take it off the heat now and let it rest. And that's the dal. It's finished. Okay, thank you for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. And coming to you from Chris's Caribbean Delights. Thanks again for watching.